cabinet colleagues, government officials, chap. We spent a substantial time talking, so I don't need to say many other things. Just to reiterate that the diaspora is part of Kenya. You may be away from Kenya, but you're part of Kenya, and we care about you. And the reforms that we have undertaken and everything we're doing is to make your life easier. We want to make our embassies friendlier. We want to make our embassies a point you can go to and get all your problems solved, so that when you're out of the country, you know you're not alone and you can count on us. But even more so, we want to make you business people. We'd like you to trade. We want you to invest, not only in the country you're living in, but also to invest in Kenya. So when we come out here and we say we want to get foreign investors, we want also Kenyans who are overseas to also invest in Kenya. So jipange, tupange, tupangane, muinvest nyumbani. You bring those ideas, you make money here, you invest in Kenya, you employ Kenyans, and we all move forward. Nimeona when the issue of Kenya Airways ilikuja nikasikia kumaanisha ya kwamba there's something we need to look at. Sasa hiyo tutaangalia. There are very many good ideas that we received when we were talking. Some we never received. We are about to launch our website. We are finishing. So you'll be able to go there, look at job opportunities, look at investment opportunities, look at how you can interact with the rest of government, give us ideas to help you wherever you are, whether you're here or any other part of the world. Two last things. I'd like to introduce my colleagues who are here, if I can get a roving microphone so you can hear their voices, and then I'll call His Excellency the President.